You know how they say that you just can't fix stupid? Well, I actually have been fixing stupid my entire life. So, as I was making a video yesterday about sanding walls, like buffing walls after new drywall or whatever, but this was about new drywall. And you have these paper tears that whatever you do, you have to sand the walls down to make them smooth, otherwise they're just rough. So I've been doing this for years. I've been doing this for many years. And I felt clever that I found about this orbital sander, which is, a far better tool than the square sander with the edges that just, when it flips over, it just destroys drywall. You have to be quite the maniac to use those, but I know people, they still use those props, man. I mean, that is just suffering. So I felt like I'm clever, using these, and they're round, and I can hit the edges of the drywall, between the wall and the ceiling and the edges without worrying that, something will dig in anywhere, right? So, but the way you do this is just like sand it all, up and down, just throughout the entire surface. Anyhow, the problem with that is, the problem is a big workout. Like if you have just even a floor of a house, like 1,000 square feet and or ceilings, it just really kills you, man. That's like what a workout. Like you feel exhausted, and because you really have to press. It's not just like just light like if you were to sand doors before you pull for grip. It's not about grip. It's about just the wall getting rough. So you gotta. I don't know. I used to use. Also felt clever that I would use like 80 grit or like 70 grit if I can find it. 60 grit. There's no. Yeah. So that it makes it easier on me.